Hello everyone, tunia hitlaya ki khopna ho in hi atha zo hi in musang le somni lenga adinga ki khom na zo ma sapen hi in ine pi ven lang ho in zo no min tu ai le chun ho in program pha jang ki pan nai lo atung ma sa ho hi
Say will rejoice and be glad in it. And this is the verse that's in my heart today because I feel it's such an important day for us, for KWS, that we can meet here, we can fellowship here in a safe place, in a place where we know that the Holy Spirit is present. And so it's a beautiful, beautiful opportunity, beautiful day for us. I just cannot not thank God for this opportunity. Before I call up Pastor Paul, I just wanted to honor, give thanks to Pastor Paul, especially because Pastor Paul has been instrumental, right, for this opportunity that we have today, and it's not his effort actually. It is the Holy Spirit that is pushing him, that is moving in him, that is instigating him, because he has a burden for us. The churches in Tamil Nadu, the churches in Singapore, many churches that I know personally have been praying for us, for the cookies who are suffering. Our churches are burned down, our houses are burned down. And there are not many people that knows what we go through, but Pastor Paul, God spoke to him, and he has a burden for us. So when I first met him, it was a big coincidence because everything was in God's timing, everything was ordained by God, and it was pre-arranged. And so I'm very blessed to have known Pastor Paul as well, because I know that he is a man of God. And I know that in his heart, he is just following God's order. Right? So it's a beautiful opportunity for us, and I just wanted to acknowledge him once again. I know he's been with us before, but today is a special day. We are in his house now, right, today. Right? So I wanted to welcome Pastor Paul. At the same time, I also wanted to welcome Brother Christopher, right? Pastor Daniel, and Brother Martin. If you all can come up here, we just wanted to honor you guys with our traditional way, just to thank you and also acknowledge that you guys are very important for us. My wife would also come and join me here. Pastor Paul, please come. And once we're done, Pastor Paul, all over to you.
This is our traditional shawl. Whenever we want to honor someone, this is it.
Wow, thank you.
Lift the lot of ham. Camera to people in you ham kati kate. Don't like it this. Okay, brother Martin and brother Christopher. Pastor Daniel, please come as well. Brother Martin is a very important person. Brother Christopher. Pastor Daniel. Pastor Daniel is also a Bible student, and so he is assisting Pastor Paul. Yeah.
Cái hiện ta cái hi, lăng chỉ được ta.